Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. This is Grandma. In case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, thank you so much guys for stopping by. And if you are new here, if you are new and you don't know Grandma, please, this is Grandma, your favorite Grandma. Do me a favor by turning on the bell so that whenever I upload, you will not miss out. Today, Grandma is in the school, and guess what? We are still preparing for our graduation ceremony. The children will be graduating into a new class, and so the preparation has been going on and on and on. I'll just show you a clip of some of the preparations. But meanwhile, it is raining here, cat and dog. I tell you, it's raining, heavy rain. I know that some of you have not seen rain for quite some time. I don't know the part of the country or area that you are. But let me just take you outside and show you rain. Here in the south, we have rain all the time. In fact, yesterday, just yesterday, it was raining cat and dog. The same thing today. You can even hear the drizzling of it. It's not even drizzling. You can hear that. Are you hearing the sound? That is the sound of rain. So I'm going to take you outside and show you rain live, how it's falling. You want to enter the rain now. I know that it looks as if you should enter the rain now. Look at you. See you. I know, supposing we are at home now, you would have want to enter the rain and take your bath. See you. That's what she normally do. Helen likes to take her bath in the rain. Yes. See, guys, it's raining heavily here. Very, very heavy. See, the school have closed. Everybody have gone. Thank God that all the children have gone. So I and Helen is still in the school.
Everywhere is quiet.
Everywhere is quiet, I tell you. Look at rain. Say hi to your friends.
Hi.
We'll see go. You see? Another one is still coming. Oh. Another rain is still coming. Oh, heavy one.
I will still enter this rain.
Eh?
I enter this rain and go.
You enter the rain and go?
Yes.
Come on, see rain. Oh. Guys, the rain is very serious though. Very serious. Look at very heavy rain. Guys, look at the environment of the school. Everywhere is clean and neat after the rain. So we have to wait until the rain stops. Look at everywhere. But the only problem we are having is the entrance to the school. Look at the entrance. Look at the gates. Can you see the water up there? Supposing it was in the morning and while the children comes to school, you'll see that it will disturb them. So look at the entrance to the school. Helen, be careful, oh, so that you will not fall. So look at the entrance to our school. That means we have not finished the work. We still have work here to do because we have to fill the whole of this place so that the water will be able to move out to the road area. So that other sand there, that sharp sand is not our own. It's for this house. So we have to buy sand and then fill the whole of this place so that the water can go out. So that is the project we still have at hand. But meanwhile, I thank God that after everything, look at our environment. It's clean and neat, unlike before. See my baby girl. You come back. Let's be going now.
Mommy.
Good morning. Good morning. Select.
Each class, each subject.
This is hot water. I have to cover this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have to turn it and take it out of the hot water. Alright guys, so right now I'm done relaxing my hair. Look at how it is. You know, as I when I finished relaxing this hair, it was very late, so I couldn't show you. That is why I said let me show you the hair, how well relaxed it is. Look at the hair is well relaxed, and in fact I never knew that my hair is this long. Well relaxed and silky. Look at my hair. Hey, see grandma, skin like milk, like my daughter. So I'm sure you love this video. If you did, don't forget to like, thumbs up, and also share. I love you guys. I love you. And if you have watched this video up to this moment, then you have not subscribed. Oh my God, I don't know what you're waiting for. What are you waiting for? What do you want grandma to prepare for you? Please subscribe, turn on the bell so that you'll not miss out whenever grandma uploads a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.